Hey, what is up guys? John from Magic Tech Review. How you guys doing? In today's video, we're going to be taking a look at PopTaps. This is a social networking kind of thing where it's NFC tag and you can actually get all your links and everything right on this little device right here. So let's go ahead and take a look at it.
Go ahead and subscribe to the channel and click that bell to be notified of every video.
Alrighty guys, so what is PopTaps? And you're gonna have a link in the description down below to go ahead and order them. So don't forget to leave that like, guys. And here we go. So this is what you actually get inside the thing when you actually receive your PopTaps here. Right there it says how to activate your PopTaps. Go to poptaps.com/start to download our app at the App Store or scan this QR code to download. Set up your profile and program links to personalize your account. Activate your PopTaps with your phone. Stick your PopTaps to the back of your phone. Start tapping away and make new connections. It says right here, place your PopTaps on the bottom of your phone, not at the top, not in the middle. So they don't want it at the top or the middle. I guess it's because they don't want it messing with the NFC chip on your phone. It says sharing on iPhone. Tap using top of the iPhone. Tap your PopTaps to the top of other person's iPhone XR, XS, 11s, or 12s. Older iPhones can use the NFC widget and control sensor or use the QR code. And then sharing on Android, so tap using middle back side of the Android. Make sure they have an NFC turned on in settings. Tap your PopTap to the middle back of the other person's Android. So here you go, PopTaps. Feeling creative? Share and tag us to win. Chance to win $100. So there you go, guys, right there. And then let's actually see the PopTaps that come inside here. So and shout out, I got this nice little stand right here from Lamicall. So shout out to them. Nice little stand there. So that's the PopTap right there. I actually received two. I'm not sure if you'll get two. One white, one black. There you go. And Little John is definitely messing with me. So thanks, buddy. So it says over 1,500 reviews. And you got PopTaps digital business card networking tool. Activate, tap, connect. Modern networking made easy. PopTaps.com. And yeah, I'm gonna have an affiliate link down below. So if you go ahead and get yourself one, it'll definitely help out the channel, help me out, or get a portion of that sale. So just to let you guys know, just to be 100% transparent. So here you go, guys. So I'm going to go ahead and activate it, and then I'll be back to let you know what I think. Alrighty guys, and here is the PopTap that I actually activated. So let's go ahead and just rip that open, and I'll show you guys what it actually looks like before I stick it on my phone. So this is what the actual PopTap looks like. Pretty small, and it's a 3M back thing right there. And you literally just stick it to the back of your phone, and then you can, once you scan the information to people, so people can, you might meet somebody on the street and be like, hey man, I want to share your information. If you're going to like a business meeting, if you're going to any type of social events, any type of, conventions, or this is for anybody, guys. It's not just for content creators and not just whatever. This is like a digital business card. So if you want to just give out your information without actually having to keep on giving a physical card that people are just going to pretty much look at and toss away, they're not going to really remember it. Right here, this actually gives you a nice photo you can put up there, your information right there, from Juneau, Alaska, my name up there. You got your, then you can go for your phone, you can go for your email and stuff like that, save my contact, and then there's also different information here. You can also add content, so you can definitely, and you can go, look, you go boom, it goes right to the YouTube channel, so no need to worry about there. And you can add all your social links, guys, to it right here. So I'm going to show you guys real quick. So that's the information I have up there. and then you can actually go down here and you can add social media, add reviews, add contact, add payment. So if you need to take some payments, get some of that bag. You got your Cash App, PayPal, and Venmo right there. You can put some music in there. You can put some custom links. You can add photos, add videos, add Calendly. I'm not sure what that is. You can add social media. I already put YouTube up there, but I'm gonna add all my other links in the future after I'm done with this, and I'm gonna stick it to the back of my phone. I just wanted to get it like nice and secure or whatever, so that's why I haven't stuck it on the back of my phone yet. But pretty much that's it. Very easy to activate, guys. Like I said, if you wanna get your own PopTap, go ahead in the description down below. Like I said, I get a little commission off of it, so if you do get one, it will be helping out the channel monetarily. And once again, thank you PopTaps for sending me this product and being a sponsor of this video. And I will see you guys in the next one. Hashtag PopTaps in the comments if you reach all the way to the end of the video, and let me know if you're going to go ahead and get you one. Pretty cool, pretty cool. See you guys. Drop the beat.